Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So we have this question: two trucks A and B traveling at 28 kilometers per hour and 26 kilometers per hour respectively approach one another on a straight road. Track A is 10 meters long while track B is 15 meters long. Determine the time in seconds that elapses before the tracks completely pass each other. So this is a linear motion question. So we are going to start by writing what we have. So we have what we are given in the question, which is we have two tracks, track A and B. Let's say this is the first track and the other track is this one. So they are going on the opposite direction. So track A, this is A and this is track B. Track A is traveling at 28 kilometers per hour and track B is traveling at 26 kilometers per hour. So they approach one another on a straight road. Track A is 10 meters long, so 10 meters, and track B is 15 meters long, 15 meters long. So the question is, determine the time in seconds that elapses before the tracks complete pass each other. So what we are going to do, we are going to add, because they are traveling in opposite direction. So this distance here will be covered by the speed of the two tracks. So we're going to add the speed and the distance so that we can get the totals. So the total distance is 10 plus 15. So total distance is equals to 25 meters, and the total speed is equals to 28 plus 26 which is equals to 54 kilometers. So this is the speed, but we need the speed to be in meters per second. So what we're going to do, we will convert this speed into meters per second, which we're just going to multiply by 1000 so that it can be in meters, because we know 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So we are going to just multiply like that. So we're going to have this, and this hour we are going to convert to seconds so that we can know the speed, because this will be meters per second. So we are going to convert this by dividing here by 3600, so that because 1 hour has 3600 seconds, so that can be in meters per second. So when we multiply this, we're going to have 54 multiplied by 1000 divided by 3600. We're going to have 15 meters per second. So this is the speed. So the time taken will be this. The time is equals to distance all over time, which is equals to 25 divided by 15, which is equals to, let's going to use a calculator. 25 divided by 15 is equals to 5 all over 3, which is the same as 1 and 2 all over 3 seconds. So the two tracks will use 1 and 2 all over 3 seconds to complete past each other. So we are having a lot of same question in our channel. So in this next video here, you can just click it and you can try that question, which is in the description below. Thank you. Please like, and if you are interested, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.